Hello and welcome back to the You Should Know Challenge, a course where we are learning 10 iconic songs on our ukulele. Today the song is La Vie en Rose. Of course we had to do this one. So for this, the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up. So we're going to be starting with chord G, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then G major 7, down, down, up, down, down, up. And I really want you to pay attention to that beautiful descending line that's happening on our E string. It's going from the 3rd fret to the 2nd fret. Listen for it. It's so beautiful. Then we go to an E minor 7, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then A minor, I'm going to use my middle finger here for that A minor, and just one, down, down, up. Then D7, down, down, up. So let's do just that section together. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down. G major 7, E minor 7, A minor, D7. A little trick that I'm doing from G major 7 to the E minor 7 is I'm just lifting the finger that I have on E string, because that's the only difference right there. So let's try it again. 1, 2, you can do it. Breathe, 2, ready, and close and hold me fast. The magic spell you cast. This is, move a little faster. Next we're going to do A minor, but we're going to do the full strum, then D7, then A minor again, then D7 again. That's it for verse 1, so now let's go to verse 2. We're going to start the same way that we started the first verse, so let's just try it. 1, 2, ready, go, down, 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 G major 7, E minor 7, go to a C, ready, go. Nice job. This next part is going to be a lot easier if you copy my finger placement. I'm not saying this is the right way to do it, it's just a really smooth way to move through the chords. So we were just at G major 7, which I'm doing with index, middle, and ring. For E minor 7, I'm lifting my middle finger. And for the C, I'm sliding on the ring finger, okay? Next, we have C minor. So if I just leave the ring finger there, I just add the other fingers, and I'm already on C minor. But you could do a bar on C minor if you like the sound of that better. I mean, you could even do a full bar, which is on frets 5, 3, 3, 3. Go for the sound that you like. I like giving options, but the one that I'm going to be using is just this 3 fingers on fret 3. Then we're going to go to a G, then A7, A minor, and one strum on D7. So let's try and play through that second verse. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. G major 7, E minor 7, C, C minor, G, A7, half of an A minor, 1 D7. And now we're at the ending. Here we're starting the same way we've started verse 1 and verse 2, which is with a G, G major 7, and then we're going to do a single strum on A minor, wait, D7, wait, and end on G. And I would like for you to be very careful with that final strum, not to do this or this. I want you to really be gentle here. Pretend your ukulele is a harp and savor the note of each string, and then speed that up just a smidge. and that'll sound really nice. My friend Abby Lyons is a really talented singer-songwriter, and her voice is just magical. So now that you know everything you need to know to play this song, head over to Abby's channel so that you can do a play along with her. It's just gonna sound super, super beautiful, and I know that you will really love this play along. In today's video, I've been playing the Daniel Ho Tiny Tenor. I actually had a set of these in my store and they sold out, but I will be restocking very soon. So make sure and check out the link in the description down below so that you can get yours. These have been very hard to come by, so I'm really excited to have them in my shop. They will be sent to me in a week from this recording, and then I'll try to keep them in stock as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you upload a cover, please tag me because I love seeing your covers. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!